I'm going to be playing some cat. It's a horror game. Hey, yo, I don't know if I can look around. I don't know. I've already tapped play it. You're in a dark forest. It's quite scary, actually. What? Yeah, it's really terrifying, please. I got 2 of 6. Let's go. Oh, he is here already. Get out of here. I don't think so. I only have 2 of 6. Help me, please. I only have 2 of 6. It's on the side of the map somewhere, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I don't know where the third one is, but all I know is I have 2 of 6. Where? Oh, I found it. I have 3 of 6. Oh. You won't be able to see. By the way, the cat's not that fast. I don't think so. I don't know. That's funny. I don't know if he's that fast. I've only seen him once. I have 3. I found 3. I found 3. He's like, what do you mean you found 3? I found 3. Oh, that's me? I'm ugly. Alright, there's 1. Nah, I'm joking. I have 3. Cool hint, follow the path. Follow the path. Just keep going around and around and around until you find it. Alright, I found another one. I'm at 4. 4. Now it's time to go back on the path. Path. Where is the cat? You ugly cat, how are you so fast? Oh! Oh! pretty fast. I still haven't lost him. He's so fast from running off the... I'm at 5. I'm at 5. You stupid cat, you're so fast. Go away. You're so fast. I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna die. Ah! I got jump scared. I'm not gonna say that. I'll let you find out. No! That will be the video. Bye.